Hi, this is Neil. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to direct people to WhatsApp you directly without people to insert your contact number. So the first one is I'm going to show you is iPhone. So if you're iPhone users, you're going to follow this step. Now, first of all, please go ahead and install the app called Click to Chat. Alright, so for this case, just go to App Store and here you're going to search for Click to Chat. Just key in Click to Chat and you're able to see this icon, this logo. Once you manage to find this Click to Chat app, go ahead and install it and open it. So I'm going to open it. Once you open it, you will be directed to this page. And now what you're going to do is you're going to key in your contact number, select your country code. Alright, you can select your country code here. So for my case, I'm going to select my own country code. And now I'm going to key in my contact number. And once you key in the number, the next thing is you want to add a message. Now, what is this message for? This message is to allow people to just click on that link and now they can directly WhatsApp you. Now, not just directly WhatsApp you. When they click on that link, they will also automatically have a written text ready-made for them. Okay, let me show you an example. Now, let us go and tap on Add Message. Here, you can see the list of messages that you have in the past. So for this case, this is just a demo. So you're going to see there are a lot of repetition here. Next is just tap on this plus icon on the top right corner. Tap on that. And here you want to key in your message. So example, I'm going to key in hi 101. Next, I need help and support. Alright, so you key in this message. Now next is the tap on save. Then tap on this message. And now you can see the preview message would appear here. And next you want to add a name. Let us tap on the add name here. Key in your name or your company name or your brand name like this. And next, let us tap on this arrow key here. Alright, let's tap on that. Then next is that you want to tap on the copy button here. Let's tap on the copy. That's where you want to copy the link. And now let us go back to our home page and make sure you download a Google Docs on your phone. So this is a Google Docs icon, so I'm going to tap on that. Then here I'm going to paste the link. Paste it like this. If you're not sure how to create a Google Docs, you can watch my other videos where I talk about how you can create a Google Docs and how you're going to use Google Docs for your work. So basically Google Docs is like an alternative of Microsoft Word. So if you haven't tried Google Docs, then you may want to watch my another videos that will be available soon, or it could be available down below of this video. So you may want to check the link below in the description. Alright. So now let's get back here. As you can see, iPhone here, you're going to put in this link here and it looks very long. So later on, I'm going to show you how you can shorten this link. Either it's just a normal short link, or I'm going to show you how to create a branded link that is short and easy to remember, and that will be good for your branding. So later I'm going to show you some example how it looks like. Alright, now let us copy the link. Alright, please be careful. Make sure there is no space at the back or the front. Make sure you want to copy exactly. Now next is going to copy the link. Okay, tap on copy. Now let us go back to our phone homepage. Next is to open a browser. So for my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome. You may want to use Safari, Firefox, or any other browser, but for my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome. Then next is you want to go to this website called Link-Shortener.net. You can find the link in the description below of this video. The next step is go ahead and paste the long URL in this white box here. So I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to tap it longer a little bit and let it go and paste the link here. And then next, I'm going to tap on shorten. Alright, so link has been shortened. Next is you're going to copy this link. Copy it. Now let us go back to our Google Docs. Here, let's edit it. And let me show you how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, from such a long URL, now it becomes a very short URL. Now let us go ahead and copy this link and give it a try. Let us open a new tab in our browser. Just tap on the plus icon here. And I'm going to paste the link here. Okay, paste the link in the search engine, tap on go, and here you will see this open WhatsApp. Chat on WhatsApp with your contact number. Then here you can see this is where people who wants to chat with you, they can tap on this button, the continue to chat button here. And here you can see the message that you've written earlier. And now let us tap on the continue to chat to see what happened next. And here you will see there will be a pop-up message by WhatsApp. Next is that they may want to actually tap on this message here. Tap on message or open in WhatsApp. So here I'm going to tap on message, and voila, you see this? The message would automatically appear. So this allows people, whether it's your friends, your colleague, your potential customers, or your customers, they can just tap on the link and this message will automatically appear on their phone. And what happens next is that they just tap on this send button. Okay, So if this is you as the support team, or you could be anyone, and you will be receiving this message from someone who wants to send you the message. Okay, so this works on mobile, on iPhone, on Android, on iPad, or even on your desktop, your laptop, or your computer. So basically it works on any devices. Now the next thing is that I mentioned earlier, where you can actually have your own branded link. All right, example, for my case, I can have this. Okay, I can have this branded link. So you can give it a try as well. You can just key in 101next.com/WhatsApp. Then what happens next is that you can directly WhatsApp our support team. Okay, so let us go ahead and copy this link and give it a try, and let me show you how it looks like. Okay, let me go back to this browser. Then I'm going to insert the link at the top of the browser, paste it, tap on go, and you can see same thing, the message will pop up. Now I'm going to tap my message. Alright, now you see the message will automatically appear. Okay, so I'm going to just tap on send, and now you see the message like this. Now some of you might ask, hey Neil, why is there this question mark icon appear? Now this happens is because it is due to the icon that I'm using that is not friendly. That's where I may want to remove the icon, or I might want to use other icons. So this icon is not working. Alright, so be careful of using icons or emojis, because sometimes emojis or icons, it may not appear on all devices. So for my case, it's not appearing on my iPhone. So if you want to learn how to create this kind of branded link, now please do subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and this will motivate me to actually create more videos like this. Alright, so I'm going to create another video where I'm going to talk about how you can actually create this kind of branded link. Alright, so for my case, it's 101next.com. Your case could be other domain. Okay, basically you call it the domain name. It could be .com, it could be .org, it could be .net, or it could be something else. So I hope you benefit from this video, and I hope you will share this to your friends, or family, and to your social media. Alright, so that is all for this video. This is 101, and I'll see you in the next one.